Okay, that is Prince Nick. Nick ndowooza mudde byayogedde bannange. Ezimu, let's take you through the award categories ezigenda okubeera nga zigabibwa in regional level. Mulimu bannange oluzungu luli wano bannange. Choreography category yefaananiita choreography category choreography
let me take a look.
Okay, zizaawo nga bw'ozirabaawo oluzungu luli wano luyitirivu choreography category.
Say look at nange nyamba kubanga kati
you read through this.
Okay, all right, so the following categories will be given out at the regional level. Choral category, cultural stroke traditional or folk category, Yuga pop, this is Yuga pop, right? Country, that's Kadongo Kamu, band, TV support category, radio support category, social media category, promoters, managers, event organizers category, DJs, VJs category, new stroke upcoming artist. Number 10 is female artist of the year, male artist of the year, gospel legends award, worship song of the year, praise song of the year, diaspora category, East African category, rest of African category, international category. Ne kuno kuliko regional level.
Regional, yes, zigenda kubeera zibagenda okusinga okugaba in regional level nga bwe basunsula.
Regional level mbera mu international.
Of course, katbengeri gye bagenda okibalamu engeri gye badanyonnyola nti no, they are going to consider abaana abalina talents. Kati waliwo akayimba kayimba erizooba twakushaba akayimba ako abamu tebamanyi baani baakayimba batuufu era nga nabo babuuza tebakategeera so bebimu ku bitonde byebaagala okuvumbula ebiri eyo deep kuba we believe waliwo choirs nyinyi ezitali in the central naye nga gye ziri mu byalo eyo you get that nga zikoze waliwo abaana abalina talents talking of DJing category ya DJing nga oli is a good DJ of his own mu region yaabwe you get that waliwo ba presenters nga mu region yaabwe w'amaanyi.
What's the total number?
Bali
15,
they are
14?
18. They are 18.
So every region they're gonna receiving 18 awards.
18 awards. Bagena zigaba then 18 awards then batuuke bagabe ez'oku final naye era
kati balina regions mmeka
zibagenda otambulamu. Okay, on the 16th August bagenda kubeera mu Eastern region. Soroti that side webagenda osima bakana in Soroti. Then on 23rd August 2026 Northern region amakanda bagenda gasimba in Arua. And we are saying 30th August bagenda beera mu Buganda amakanda bagenda gasimba in Masaka. Then when you go to the Western region bagenda kubeera Mbarara. So ze bagenda otambuliramu ezo.
There are 4 regions.
There are 4 regions. Naye kintu kyetagamu kasente
chitaga mukasi akoledi zona se wozifuna akoledi 18 for every region.
Downsize the activity.
They are handling
I'm not against the awards. I love this guy big time. Prince Nico Golaba call the elections of the federation to what he has overseen the gospel industry. He's a father in the gospel industry. But what I'm trying to say is downsizing activity agenda okukolebwa during this period tusobole okuletinga the main exercise to breathe.
Because why my question would be why are we having an international act in the regional Ochiraba under the regional
so you guys are trying to send better decade into being in your
unnecessary
weight. I'm looking at this as an official nomination list for let's say all of Uganda, all the gospel fraternity. Let's mobilize.
In Kampala, but I feel like that's a lot of weight whereby obuzibu bwakyo bugenda kujjira wali ku end game yacho on the final day whereby bagenda kuba batugana no we may not be able to pull off the event because this and that and this and that and this and that but that's one main reason of which main reason tuyinza okusubira nti kasente otwaliza so lwaki bamwewe ebintu bingi.
And also why don't you look at partnerships with other because if I see Viga then I'm creating a vision in my head about the Royal Gospel guys also on board to support this. They moved with a lot of sponsors. Vesta in Zakusuma Kumpel right now, but this time round they are not moving alone. And with such sponsors, let's say, you see what, okay, no, anyway, I don't want to compare,
Yeah, moving on,
but
forward.
imagine we are in, like a Chisawe, ushtegede nga Viga tegese those particular awards, 18 accolades, ushtegede all categories throughout like the entire gospel house, that they are busing people from those places to Kampala here where the event is going to happen, because Ongambia ina a number of sponsors already on board, you know how they can pull it off. I believe it's workable.
So reality. How do you make an event happen? Jukira or ina ebyuma, you have a whole team you're supposed to do, or ina already okuita abantu abayina okuja. There are a lot of service providers there, or no sasula venue jogenze those particular areas, or no qualatinga police, or ina like this is a lot of crazy that is not necessary. I think it's not necessary. Chilinganga, let me give you what. I think we are to take a second activations and sync, and nothing that drains like those activations. To me as maximization, this is my say. Management if the power is woba uliranga muno chiyinza okumenyamu. What a main event, which is the award ceremony. To empowering award ceremony, because Africana itself is very expensive. Wetaga service provider, wetaga accolades. Okuja konga abantu bagenda sasula ku mulyango, of which tebali guaranteed kulwaki. Buli nominee tuyinza gamno buli nominee buli ticket ye tugenda jipa meeting aka abantu babiri ku bantu basatu, which means abo boka already they are enough to fill the whole place. You get then you have research, because research also requires money. Wakati no kugenda different media houses,
as you wind up
I go to different stakeholders bagament bana imoloza to one or you go from a nomination list to demographics to demo chi. It's a lot.
Let's downsize the activities. Plus embrace the issue of onomwana tumwade accolade ya wangu de kakwate akakaddeki obo bukadde obubiri.
Let's keep watching Viga Awards jezina great. I think
I wish them the best.
We wish them all the best. See you nga abiri mukaga September